It is chestnut season, and I'm really excited to show you all the beautiful trees around me. And you have to time it right, otherwise you might get conked on the head with one of these. That's why they call them conkers. But right now most of them have come down. I even saw some that had been nibbled on by animals. The hulls seem to be missing, but the seeds remain behind because they're not edible for most animals, including humans. Do not eat your horse chestnuts. You can eat them, but you can, like most mushrooms, you can usually eat them once. If you want to eat something good, then save it for the Christmas chestnuts that you roast by your fire later in the season. But I'm going to give you a little bit of walk around with me so you can see how beautiful these trees are. Just beautiful. Lots of conkers still, especially in this tree across the street. Most of them right now are falling, and they're these beautiful reddish brown nuts that you'll find everywhere inside. So I'm going to crack one of these open so you can see it firsthand. Some of them are more spiny than others, just depends on the variety. But that's where you find your bounty, along streets lined with horse chestnuts. So right here we've got some of the common acorns found here in Victoria. Not sure if Gary Oaks generally produce these. Beautiful tree that is protected here on the island. Collected a few of these so we can try our hand at need to do a little more research though, make sure there's actually a reason to forage for them. But pretty common trees. Some of them produce hordes and hordes. Of course the squirrels eat them, so save some for the squirrels.